Justice with Judge Mablean. We're back with the case of Della Smith, who is suing Shanice Owens for tuition reimbursement.
So you keep a condom?
Yes.
You were ready?
Yes. I believe my parents have talked to me about safe sex, and although it was not planned to have sex with him on that night, I do believe in protecting myself.
So if you had the condom and he used it, then how'd you end up pregnant?
She broke.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, I just never believe that story.
She did it. It was an old condom.
How you know?
She told me after the fact.
Oh, you didn't ask, did you?
She gave me the full loco. She tried to play me.
She had one too. So now, and you, when did you find out you were pregnant?
I found out a few months later. I was sick. I was late. Yes.
So now, what's this thing about you were having sex with any number of people?
No, that is not true. Javon.
So why you keep the condom in your purse?
Just for safe sex, should anything happen, if I fell in love with someone or if I met someone, if I met someone that I wanted to do it.
You don't have time to go get a condom.
Well,
Not falling in love.
Yeah.
Now love takes a period of time.
Yeah,
You talking about falling in love.
Yeah.
Now I have a book that I've written and I tell you real quickly, you know, don't get your L's confused. Lust is not love.
That's right.
Okay? It's spelled L-U-S-T. Love is spelled L-O-V-E. It takes time. Lust takes seconds. So no, just in case you fell in lust, you had a condom to be ready.
Yeah.
So that you wouldn't get pregnant.
Yes.
But apparently you've been holding it a long time. It was old. Was it old?
Yes. It was.
Okay. So you had it in your purse for a while and you finally got to use it.
Yes. And to prove that he wasn't the father, because he was so sure, he agreed to the DNA test, which I have a copy of right here, as well as his child support agreement.
So it's not disputed that he's the father, right?
No.
I'm the father.
All right. So the dispute is that he's now out of college, and Mama got to pay the balance of his tuition.
That's right.
Because he dropped out of school so he could get a job and take care of his children. Is that it?
She messed up his life, put it that way.
He did what he did on his own.
Okay.
I don't care if she chased him from the first grade. There's such thing as choice, and he can say no, and he can resist her, and he could not have, even if she advanced, he didn't have to accept advance. I don't care how it happened. He advanced, she advanced, whatever. Bottom line is, they both agreed.
Okay.
Bottom line is, 2 children were born as a result of that.
Right.
And why does she have to pay you back the money? Because your son forgot the gold.
It was
He lost track of the gold. It was up to him to keep it in his forefront. What am I going to do? He was the one that was on track for the football player.
Yeah, she sure did trick. She was hot.
Oh, you keep blaming her. You sound like a real.
I'm sorry.
I don't even want to say what you sound like. No, I'm gonna say a zip dang fool.
Now,
Judge me for the defense.
All rise.
Judge Mablean has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's claim has been dismissed.
You need to let your son grow up and be a man and take care of his kids.
as long as he's my son, I'm gonna always be in his business.
Coming up.